evening everyone. This is my project in course 1. This is how to use e-commands in Image. First, type d colon, and then create a folder, type mkdir, and then my first name, then create a folder in my folder, type cd in my first name, then mkdir a, then cda, mkdir b, cdb, mkdirc, and cdc. Then type hanggang sila. Then type dir to check if the folder you create is correct. Then type cd dot dot to go back in the previous folder. Then if you already on the folder of your first name, type 3 to see what inside in your folder. Then if you want to rename your folder, type ring space folder name. Like for example, you edit folder A, type ring space A, your edit name. Now if you want to delete folder, type rd or rmdir space folder name. Then type dir to check the folder is deleted. If you want to create files, type cd dot greater than space folder name text and my project dot text. If you want to edit your file, type edit space file file name my project dot text, then enter. Type my first name and my section A AE1EE, then my section course 1, then press Alt F plus X and Y. If you want to see the text inside your file, type file name, type file name, file name? Then if file name, if you want to hide your folder, type attrib space drive name plus H plus I space plus R space plus S space plus A, then enter. Type dir. Then if you want to restore the folder, type up attrib space drive name minus H space minus R H minus R, then space minus H, then space minus A, then that's all. Thank you.